Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be my last restoration video of the year and I'm going to end it with the Nokia 2760. Uh, Nothing much to say about this phone, it just needs a new body shell. Well, partially, I don't have the middle part, but this one is in good condition, so savable. How was your Christmas? I hope it was awesome as you are. Yeah, well, let's not waste any more time and get into it. And now if I want to make the effect of showing the phone straight to you, I have to get off the chair because this is my new setup. But I'm not complaining. And here it is. Let's begin. Honestly, I don't even know how many talk towers this thing has. 1 hour and 4 minutes. Well, it kind of explains it, judging by the whole phone. I think it fell on its face. Yeah. Well, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the front here, the fold, basically. Interesting glue. Well, this just fell. It has a connector here, but I'm not gonna take it off from the small display because it's glued on it. On this PCB. Here's the camera. That's kind of it. The display. This just comes out like this, nicely. I think this was opened before because the display it's been touched before. Okay, I can live with this. Yeah, this is why it was flabby. It had this thing snapped. There we go. Here's this little dirty main board. All I have to take now from this is the flex cable, and in order for me to do that I have to take out the hinge mechanism, and to do that I have to push it out, and I need something very like a needle to use to push this out. To take out the buttons, just push it, you know, like so. Yeah, here are the buttons, which are actually not in bad condition. I'm gonna put those apart. And I'm pretty sure this thing is not an original Nokia body shell, because look at the writing and the way the camera is designed. Here's the original that I'm going to use. I don't have it on black, it's on grey, and this is a protective screen over it. This is actually a 3D here, chromed, not just image, you know. Well, I'm gonna keep this part because I need it, but I am taking everything out to clean it, like the microphone and all the other guts. Oh boy, everything just falls off of this phone. And this is the speaker. I'll look to see, I believe I may have some new speakers. If not, I'm gonna clean this one. Yeah, I'll leave it here. Right, and this is the back cover, which I'm going to have to clean. As for this thing, I think I have a solution. I'm just gonna force my way on it. Hey, that didn't sound right. See how simple it is? Just take this out here, finish with this thing. And now for this, just rotate it here and take it out. Something like this. That's basically it. I eated this and forgot to take the hinge mechanism out. I still need this. There we go. And it also has this little magnet, which, looking at the new body shell, I have it. This thing even has the... Oh, everything is new here. This is an original Nokia part, of course. That's why I have everything there. But I still have to disassemble it to take the... so I can install the cable in it. No, I have no choice. Yeah, anywho. Right, so I'll get to clean those and be right back. So, I've cleaned the parts, and let's begin reassembling them. And as I suspected, I have a new speaker and antenna. Oh, I don't need this. I have this new door, original. I'm gonna have to quickly assemble this first and clean it so I don't have to get with the dust problem again. Let's see here. Okay. It looks good. Good! I have to shove this here first, the main board part. Well, basically I can even put the main board on it. First I'm gonna have to put the buttons. believe I disassemble this in the opened position here. So all I have to do is push this in its place here. That was it. Look at this little dust particle, it just appeared out of nowhere. Cute. Okay, it's clean inside. Well, let me put all the screws in their place. Here's this finished beauty. The screen is perfectly lit, it's just my camera filter that shows it like this, darker, don't know why. Yep, it works. The same one with 1 hour and 4 minutes talk time. Right, so that's it for this phone. Now for this message. And this was my last video of the year 2022. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one as well and found it useful. It's been an interesting year, to be honest. I also got my collection even bigger, got more phones, and honestly, the phones are starting to get a bit scarce. Not many as they were before. Many people recycle them, and by recycling them, basically, you lose them, but you understand what I mean. Recycling is not bad, but it's bad when you recycle a perfectly functional device. Where's the mercy? I want to thank you very much for watching my videos this year, and I hope you actually enjoyed them, and I hope it helped you in case you wanted to refurbish your phones or if you have nothing else to watch. So what more can I say? I wish you a happy new year, all the best, and I hope we'll see next year better, stronger, richer, and with many more phones if you're a collector or whatever you collect. I hope you get to do whatever you enjoy doing in your life and accomplishing everything. And I am very grateful for my number of subscribers. See you next year, guys, and like always, I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourself, and all the best ever, forever. Bye.